So who do you think will? Well, but of course, let us introduce our officials first. We have Faye Veras and Edith Boticario. So of course, yes, very much appreciated no, for our officials in this ball game. Hindi rin biro talagang mag-officiate ng 3x3 basketball. But going back to what I was saying, Hannah, we had the chance to cover jump shot yesterday. So what can you tell me about their game no, na they can use in order to win against this Eurotex Tibay team?
The jump shot yesterday greatly exceeded my expectation with them. Siyempre, hindi natin sila kilala na team dito, pero they nagpakilala nga, kung sasabihin, nagpakilala sila, lalong-lalo na nga, etong si Tina to, which gumawa ng ilang points din for her team. And for sure, malaki din yung magiging contribution niya for this elite invitational that we have now.
I agree, Hannah, no? Itong si Tina to talaga. She's really been the initial noise bearer, no? Noise maker for this team. Kita natin with her passing abilities, with her post moves. Of course, she has decent height, no? To be able to tower over her opponents. As we can see, no, she is posting up. So that's something we should look forward to.
Yes, as you said, posting up. Titingnan din natin for this game kung kaya nga ba niya ma-postehan ang sentro na tong Eurotex Tibay na si Chan, Unique Chan, na nagdo-dominate din sa loob ng paint.
Yes, Hannah. Now, punta naman tayo dito sa kanilang kalaban no, ng Eurotex Tibay. Again, just like their sister team Eurotex Dream, grabe rin yung credentials ng team na to. Very loaded. And let's see kung kaya ba nilang i-meet yung expectations na sinaset natin lahat sa kanila. Of course, we have Hunsai, former University of the East Lady Warrior, no? And former Philippine Women's National Beach Basketball 3x3 member. Si Chan, si Unique Chan din, no? Former Lady Warrior din. Medical 5 in the AP. Si Joan Grajales, who played for Lyceum University of the Philippines. And Discovery Perlas Pilipinas, Blanche Bahuyan, former FEU Lady Tamaraos. And Julia May Baroquillo, former National University Lady Bulldog. So mga former collegiate players talaga yung ating nandito sa Eurotex Tibay. Let's see kung they'll be able to, again, meet our expectations set for them.
And you can see that second point coming from Unique Chan with 0-2 in favor of Eurotex Tibay.
But now let's dive into the ball game, no? Here is Chan posting inside and scoring for Eurotex Tibay as they are currently leading by 3 itong jump shot. Medyo hirap silang makakuha ng kanilang unang puntos, but let's see. Oh, with a fadeaway. But she will get fouled right there by Unique Chan.
What a great move right there from Unique Chan. At ayun na nga, Cho, yung sinasabi natin, kung makakayanan ba nitong si Tina to, yung mga ganong moves ni Unique Chan. And for sure, hindi lang yun yung mapapakita ni Chan for this ball game. For the whole afternoon, actually.
Yes, itong si Unique Chan, no, we can see na she has the size to be able to dominate her opponents inside the paint. But lamang si Tina to when it comes to height. So let's see kung ano bang aspeto ng kanya-kanyang basketball performance, no, ang magwawagi between the two of them.
And speaking of lamangan, Tina to actually also can shoot outside the paint. So let's see if Unique Chan also has that one. If Unique Chan can also score beyond the arc and or malilimit lang din siya ni Tina to sa loob ng paint.
Speaking of beyond the arc and Tina to, no, it was Grajales who has shot back-to-back two-pointers and Tina to with a bucket earlier. As she airballs this one, and the ball will go with Eurotex Tibay. Again, jump shot is trailing by 5, but luckily for them, we still have 7 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in our clock. still a lot of time to bounce back from the 5-point lead. Still very manageable.
We can see here also Joan Grajales, who is actually probably has had the longest basketball career for our women's basketball here in the Philippines. And you can see parang hindi siya tumatanda, no?
Yeah, actually, we can see na talaga no, yung veteran moves niya, kaya we can really infer na she probably had the longest career in Philippine women's basketball. Kita natin no, yung mga kanyang tactics. As there will be a call from the officials. It is a turnover, no? As jump shot will get the possession. Again, the score is 8-2 in favor of Eurotex Tibay with 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Still a very manageable lead, or deficit rather, for jump shot.
And speaking of Grajales, who just sat out for Eurotex Tibay, we can just see there that with that perspective, may kita mo talaga na hindi madaling iwanan ng mga female ballers natin yung paglalaro. Kasi hanggang ngayon, ilang taon na si Grajales and ilang years na din siya na naglalaro 5-on-5 man, 3x3, but she still enjoys playing this game.
And that is a Bahuyan from 2, giving Eurotex Tibay an 8-point lead now, as jump shot is struggling to move on from the 2-point mark. Bahuyan with the steal to Grajales against Tina To. And what a pass from Grajales. And now here's Bahuyan coming off a pass from Unique Chan. Here's Grajales for 2, no good. Kuwani O will bring it outside. Unique Chan guarding her.
We can also see here, similarly with Eurotex Dream, we can see how their chemistry just really fits each other and how they know each other, not being unselfish with the ball.
Yes, I agree, Hannah. Very systematic play right there. Here's Eurotex Tibay, now leading by 9. It's slowly coming off a very big lead, no? And here's their chance to make it a double-digit lead. Here's Grajales, guarded by O, to Unique Chan, and it is now a 10-point lead for Eurotex Tibay. Here is Ang.
Unique Chan with 2 points now, limiting Tina To to only 1 for jump shot.
And Bahuyan fires one yet again for Eurotex Tibay as they lead by 12. Here is Ang for 2, no good. Here is Tina To, ends up with the ball and will score finally for a jump shot as they will remove their drought. Here is Ang to O, guarded by Bahuyan, and that pass to Tina To will not be catched. And the score is 14-3 in favor of Eurotex Tibay, as both teams will take a breather. Again, this timeout is brought to you by Blue Refreshing Boost. As we can see the highlights here. And that is Unique Chan battling it inside. And Tina To answering back with her own bumps inside the paint. And some hoists from Bahuyan. And both teams really just out here to compete. And now we are going back to our ball game as Eurotex Tibay leads by 11. Double-digit lead for them with 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. A jump shot needs to make something out of nothing if they want to go back to this ball game, as Baroquillo will not make that one. Here is Ang, screen from O, and that is a foul.
And Eurotex Tibay now has their 5th team foul for this ball game. 7 points away from winning this game.
Exactly, Hannah, no? They are going much nearer to their winning point. Samantalang itong jump shot, they're really struggling, no? They're really trying to find their rhythm, trying to remove their inconsistencies, trying to get back into the ball game.
Although jump shot struggling in this game, we can see they don't have any team fouls yet to give. Meaning, they're actually playing a great defense against Uratex Tibay.
Well, I agree na it's great defense, no? However, no fouls means hindi masyadong aggressive ang pagdedepensa. So meaning, baka hinahayaan lang nila ang kanilang opponent, no, to score, as Baroquillo will get called for the traveling violation as she subs out
And
for Bahuyan.
speaking of that, hinahayaan lang ba nilang makatira, hindi nila pwedeng gawin yun, Cho. Kasi baka ganun lang din ang magagawa ng ibang team sa kanila. And they have what? How many games yet? And that's where we can see how well they can manage these Philippine teams, 3x3 teams that we have here in our country.
Yeah, I agree. That's something they should fix, no? When they play other teams here in Beacon Hope today. And what a steal there by To. And kuha ni Lu, ni Ang rather. And that is no good.
11 points.
And that is a two-pointer from Grajales, as she already has 3 of those 2-pointers. But will she add one more? No good. Here's Enrique Chan with a nasty spin move, but that is no good.
You can
Here's
see
Ang.
Chan's rebounding skills there. Really boxing out Tina To inside the paint. And with that, having that center, parang wala ka na lang magagawa at mabibigay mo na lang sa kanya yung bola talaga eh.
Exactly, and I think yun din the reason, no, bakit they have 0 fouls ngayon. Actually, no, they already have 1. But kanina, they have 0 because it was all business, no, in letting Unique Chan score. Here is Grajales.
Joanne Grajales, who actually has the highest points here in this ball game. And parang hindi talaga tumatanda si Grajales eh, no? With that 7 points out of 18 for Uratex Tibay.
Yes, Uratex Tibay, no, scoring another 2-pointer as Baroquillo will fire one. Will not make that one. And here is Uratex, the jump shot rather. No good from Ang.
Free lane there, however, wasn't able to make it by Mingxiu Ang. They needed that one. Every shot counts for jump shot now. With 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining for this ball game.
Here's Unique Chan, what a pass to Baroquillo. Highlight play for Uratex Tibay.
Great pass there for Baroquillo. And you can see for this Uratex Tibay, no, nagbe-blend ang kanilang team talaga with old players. And with, let's look at this highlight play from Chan to Baroquillo. What a great no-look pass there from Chan.
Here is Baroquillo scoring a while ago. Here is Chan. Another behind the back pass. Baroquillo for 2. Bang!
Parang gustong-gusto ni Chan yung mga ganong tira talaga.
And with that 2-pointer, the game comes to an end as Uratex Tibay will come off with a win against Jump Shot. So the two Uratex teams, no, they've managed to win this ball game as the final score is 21-3. A very dominating win for Uratex Tibay. Jump Shot is on a very cold performance, no? And they should really look forward to bouncing back next game. But for our Uratex Matibay best player, we have Joanne Grajales lighting it up from the 2-point area. She has scored 8 points in this ball game, as we can see her smoking hot fingertips. As we can see her waving to her camera, smiling, obviously happy because of her team's win. And up next,